So we're trying to find the percent change in velocity after the baseball has traveled 18 meters. So if we have the initial x velocity of the baseball, which would essentially be the initial velocity of the baseball, because the pitcher isn't throwing the baseball with any velocity in the y direction. So we can say that Vx equals 150 kilometers 150 kilometers per hour, and then we can convert to meters per second. So we'll say 1,000 meters for every kilometer times 1 hour for every 3,600 seconds. And this is giving us 41.67 meters per second. Now, to find t, the time in the air, we can simply say delta x divided by v sub x, and this is going to be 18 meters divided by 41.67 meters per second. And so the ball, after it has traveled 18 meters, the ball has only been in the air for 0.432 seconds. So in order to find the final y velocity, this will simply be equal to the initial y velocity plus gt. This is going to be 0, and then we can say that this is going to be equal to negative 9.8 times 0.432 seconds. And this is giving us 4.234 meters per second. And we can say that this is going to be negative because, again, gravity will cause the ball to be traveling downwards. So it'll be 4.234 meters per second downwards. And so at this point, in order to find the percent change, we can say that the magnitude of the final velocity will simply be equal to 41.67, the initial x velocity. Again, there isn't any acceleration in the x direction. And then this will be squared plus negative 4.234 squared, all to the 1/2 power. That's how we find the magnitude of the final velocity. And this will give us 41.88 meters per second. Now, in order to find the percent change, we can say that the percent change is going to be equal to the magnitude of the final velocity minus the magnitude of the initial velocity divided by the magnitude of the initial velocity times 100%. So we can say that percent change is going to be equal to 41.88 minus 41.67 divided by 41.67, and this is going to be times 100%, and this is giving us a 0.5% change of the velocity after the baseball has traveled 18 meters. So this would be our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.